Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, a beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, black color theme, beautiful, very beautiful. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see this one, the lights and all, and the color. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the colors and all looking very beautiful, very attractive, very good also. You can see this one also very beautiful. The wall colors and all looking very attractive. The black color sofa and the frame. You can see the shisha and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the house, beautiful decoration. You can see the beautiful decoration. You can see the with glass also very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see them in the middle, fire is there, and the side you can see the lights and all, and the sofas. You can see the house. You can see black color glass and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the black color theme and the lights and all looking very beautiful, very attractive, very nice. You can see the stairs. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the decoration and all looking very beautiful, very good also. You can see the frame and all very beautiful. This is also have, you can see the three or four floor it is there. First floor also beautiful, second floor you can see the small plants and all. That also very beautiful. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the door and all, and the lights, and you can see beautiful lights and all, the white color theme and all looking very beautiful, very good, very attractive. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the plants and all, and the frame. You can see the glass. You can see very good. You can see this one also very beautiful, very attractive, very good also, and looking very. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the house, the decoration, the down. You can see all the beautiful car and all, very beautiful place. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the down, the slides, water can come, very beautiful place. You can see very good also. And you can see the window mirror, window offers looking outside. You can see this one also the cigarette door, maybe, I don't know, but looking very beautiful door, very good, very attractive also. It's also very nice. You can see the uplights and all, the black color frame. You can see very beautiful, the grass and all very beautiful. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the frames and the chairs. You can see down the grass, very beautiful place, very good. VIP room, VIP house, very beautiful. You can see this one also very good looking room. You can see the lamps and all, very beautiful lamps, very good also. The kitchen maybe. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the window mirror. You can see the up. You can see the whole decoration, beautiful decoration, very good decoration, very attractive also. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the up. You can see the thing, the green color wall and the white color and the silver color, very beautiful decoration, very good. You can see this one also very beautiful. The stairs going up, I don't know why it is. You are going for a room, and you can see the decoration, the lamps and all, very beautiful lamps and all. And you can see the roof. You can see very beautiful roof. So this is also very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. So don't if you like this video, so comment me down. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. Wait for tomorrow.